All right, guys, you see this? This is a freezable lunchbox, but what it is good for is hauling in your perishables from the house to the trailhead. Now I'm just briefly opening it up and show you what's in it. Now just to help it along, I put one of these freezable things in there. And this is my perishables. It's compacted, it's another little freezable. This is gonna go in my side pocket. It's good for 4 hours at least. So it's 1 o'clock now. So we good till about 5:30, 6 o'clock. It's not gonna be good after that. All right, my friends, as I told you, I'm at the campsite. And it's 5:30, and in here is my perishables: green onions, carrots, Jimmy Dean sausage, 2 eggs, and olive oil and butter. See, my butter's still blocked, so it's still cold. And what we have tonight is fried rice. So I'm gonna start. I'll make it as quick as possible, so let me get started. Olive oil. Olive oil. Green onions. The only trick is my wife says to let the onions get translucent. Alright, there it is. Okay, Andy?
Yeah.
Bon appetit.
Nice.
See what it tastes like.
Look at this.
Alright, that will conclude this particular video. So thanks for watching.